What fasting does to your skin, weight, and overall health. Fasting has been popular for centuries. Fasting plays an important role in some cultures and religions. You can fast in a lot of different ways. Fasting is not only done by not drinking and eating for a day, but it can be done in different ways. Most types of fasting are done with a timetable of 24 to 72 hours. For the first timer, fasting within a 24-hour timetable is best recommended. So what does fasting really do to your body? Well, it makes your skin better. It makes you lose weight, improves the function of your brain, and the list goes on. Continue watching until the end of the video to know more about fasting and what it does to your body. Number 1, if you fast regularly, it will promote the production of antioxidant compounds in your body, which is commonly known for reducing the wrinkling and aging of your body. Fasting will restore your body's microbiome balance, resulting in you having much clearer skin. Fasting is an organic and healthier way for improving your skin compared to using skincare products that contain chemicals that might hurt your skin. In addition, fasting also makes your body produce more human growth hormone, or the HGH, which rejuvenates your skin by increasing your skin's elasticity, giving it a fresher and younger look. Fasting will rejuvenate your skin and can prevent blackheads, skin eruptions, and acne. Some of the skin conditions that fasting can cure are eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Fasting helps your body get rid of the toxins, which is the reason why your skin looks dull and dry. Aside from that, it also reduces inflammation, which also contributes to the skin conditions mentioned a while ago. Fasting regularly regenerates your body's cells, making your skin radiant, and it also cleans old cell material that is existing from cells to give you a youthful look. Fasting not only makes you feel lighter and better, but it also improves your physical appearance. Number 2, alternating your fasting with periods of eating will help you lose weight, but you can lose weight quicker if you associate your fasting with cutting your calorie intake. Most people that tried alternate day fasting while restricting their calories lost 6% of their body weight after a year. According to most people that tried cutting their calorie intake, only lost about 5 to 3% of their weight after a year. An associate professor in the Department of Kinesiology and Nutrition at the University of Illinois in Chicago, Dr. Krista Varady, said that the definition of intermittent fasting is pretty basic. It's really just a period of eating followed by a period of not eating. Dr. Varady researched the effects of intermittent fasting on the human body. Dr. Varady then added that intermittent fasting is kind of an umbrella term. But there are 3 major types of intermittent fasting. There's alternate day fasting, which means that you would eat fewer than 500 calories every other day and eat however many calories you want on the remaining days of the week. There's also what's called the 5 and 2 approach to intermittent fasting, which means you would eat fewer than 500 calories for 2 days per week and however many you want on the other days. And then there's what's called time-restricted eating, which means you can eat within a certain window of time each day. Number 3, fasting reduces your insulin resistance, promoting blood sugar control. Several studies have found that fasting may improve blood sugar control, which could be especially useful for those at risk of diabetes. If you are a diabetic person, fasting is the perfect way for you to improve your blood sugar control. Both intermittent fasting and alternate day fasting are effective, the same with cutting your calorie intake and reducing insulin resistance. Decreasing your body's insulin resistance will help to increase your body's sensitivity to insulin, which allows it to efficiently transport glucose from your bloodstream to your cells. The effect of fasting for improving your blood sugar level has a different effect for men and women.
Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it.
Number 4, alternate day fasting helps lower your cholesterol level, especially if it is combined with endurance exercise. Low-density lipoprotein, or also known as LDL, is bad for your health as it can raise your risk of experiencing a stroke or heart disease. While intermittent fasting can reduce the presence of triglycerides in your body, triglycerides are the fats found in your blood that can lead to stroke, heart attack, or heart disease. Number 5, it boosts your brain's function. Intermittent fasting can improve your mental acuity and concentration. There is also research done which is called a study on rats, and it was published in February 2018 in Experimental Biology and Medicine. On the research, it was found that fasting can protect you against the decline in memory which commonly happens as you age. Intermittent fasting can improve the connection in your brain's hippocampus, and it protects it against amyloid plaques, which can be found in people with Alzheimer's disease. Number 6, it can help you fight off depression. Fasting has an antidepressant effect. How does it happen? Well, it has the ability to make feel-good neurotransmitters like endogenous opioids and serotonin more in your brain. Fasting incorporated with calorie restriction has been shown to alleviate negative emotions like tension, depression, anxiety, and it boosts the feelings of euphoria. 25% of the people that incorporated fasting with calorie restrictions experienced lesser depressive symptoms and experienced fewer panic attacks within 6 months without any side effects. Number 7, it lowers your risk of any cardiovascular issues as your brain's insulin level falls. So does your risk of deadly cardiovascular issues like congestive heart failure, which is relevant for patients with type 2 diabetes. People with type 2 diabetes are 2 to 4 times more prone to die from heart disease compared to adults with diabetes. Observational studies have shown that intermittent fasting has metabolic and cardiovascular benefits. The changes in the metabolic parameters, like the lowering of the triglycerides levels and blood sugar levels, are caused by losing weight and can be achieved with different weight loss programs, may it be diet or fasting. Levels of triglycerides. Number 8, fasting can help you sleep better at night. Diet can either make you always sleepy or can result in insomnia. Some of the people that have tried intermittent fasting sleep better. According to one theory, intermittent fasting regulates circadian rhythm that determines sleep patterns. Once your circadian rhythm is regulated, it means that you can fall asleep easier and you can wake up feeling refreshed. Another theory also indicates that consuming your last meal earlier at night means it can be digested even before you fall asleep. Digestion is better done when you're upright because going to sleep after a meal can lead to bedtime heartburn or acid reflux that makes it harder for you to fall asleep. Number 9, lessen the risk of stroke. Fasting leads to lower blood pressure and healthier cholesterol levels, which plays the biggest role to reduce your risk of stroke. But that's not all. There are more possible stroke-related benefits that are a result of fasting. Intermittent fasting and cutting your calorie intake provide a protective mechanism for your brain in case you experience a stroke. Number 10, fasting speeds up your metabolism. Fasting will let your digestive system rest, energizing your metabolism to efficiently burn your calories. Having a poor digestive system affects your ability to burn fat. Intermittent fasting regulates your digestion and promotes healthy bowel function while improving your metabolic function at the same time. Fasting is not only for losing weight, but rather it can also be to improve your overall wellness. Let us know your thoughts about intermittent fasting by commenting below.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.